Hey guys, welcome back to another Explore on Cocoapods tutorial. So in this tutorial I've got a cocopod called Image Picker, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that you can just use the regular image picker which is already built into Swift. But you could, but the thing about this is it's a lot more customizable, and it looks actually a lot nicer than the usual image picker. And I also think it has an option to take pictures, but you can edit and disable that, things like this, has delegates, and yeah, it's just really useful. So let me show you guys how to use it. First thing I'm going to do is just import the Cocopod as usual. So let me just add that in. First of all, you just create the Xcode project, and you'll see it appears in the Finder thing here. So this is just where all of my projects are located. Now you can close this, and we can locate this in the Finder menu from terminal. So you type in the path it's located in. So for me it's documents Xcode YouTube and then whatever you called it, so image picker demo. Then you create the pod file by typing pod in it, and you have to already have Cocoapods installed to do this, but I've got a video on how to do that. So now if we click inside of this, you see it's generated that pod file. We can open this by, you can either double click on the pod file, or I like to do it by doing open -a Xcode pod file, and that should open that here. And now we can just add this in by copying this pod in and saving that, close that, and run a pod install to install this pod. And I might start doing video scripts for cartridge, but it's basically the same thing, just a different thing. And now we have all of that, so you can close that, open up this, and it'll ask us to validate, so we'll just do that. And now we can start creating our thing. So what I'm going to do is, let's see how we do this. So what we do is we create it like a usual any controller, so like anything, then we can present it. So I think we might have to import it though, so import image picker like that, and then let image picker controller. Actually we can just copy and paste all of this. It might give us an error. Yep, it'll ask us to add protocol subs. Oh, that's a lot of errors, but luckily most of them are pretty useless. So oh my god, what have I done? So let's just leave all this here, and I think that should work. Okay, so this is that, and if I run this now, we should just get an image picker as soon as viewDid loads, which probably won't work. We might have to put it in viewDid appear. Don't worry, this is just a glitch. I think it'll appear once it sees all of these things. So we'll just wait, and yep, build succeeded. Back here, I think we might have to put this in a viewDid appear rather than viewDid load, since it might not load properly, but we'll see. And yeah, it didn't load, so we're gonna have to do this in viewDid appear, and then super.viewDid appear animated, and we'll just move this into here. Hopefully this works now. Oh, what has happened over here? Oh, because I think I asked for the camera and we haven't actually given it the permission, so let's just do that now. I think if we can just copy and paste that, and we'll say we need to access the camera for a demo. Hopefully it works now. And yeah, so if we allow that, oh, it won't actually work because the camera, there's no camera on the simulator. But you can see it. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I'm back, and now I have a real device, so I can show you guys this image picker actually working. So first thing I'm going to do is I've connected the real device here, and now if I run this like this, we should see. If I go to QuickTime Player and I just wait for this to load, you can see this is the device, and if I just wait for this to load, it will ask me to access the camera, and then I think it's working, although not entirely sure. Seems to be a bit of a problem. Let's see. Stuff on both. What was the problem? Oh, it needs access to my photo library. That's what. Okay, that makes sense. So now if I just go here and I give it access to the photo library, we add it in there, and need access. This can be any message. If I run this again, and let me just check to see that there aren't any personal photos here. Allow access to all photos, and it just says no images available. Oh, okay. Well, it does work, and I just can't really show it because otherwise, you know, I'd kind of get exposed. But I can show the thing at the bottom. So if I just bring this down like this, so you can see I'm actually just got the phone like this, and I'm just recording it like this, you know, and we get that weird effect. So, you know, this is just a camera app, and yeah, it works pretty well. And I can't really show the whole thing because I don't really want to expose it, but this does work like it says on the pictures. So yeah, just do this like this. Remember to give these two NS usage keys so that it doesn't crash, and you can just initiate it like this. You can also do all of these things, change around, and when it's cancelled, selected images, things like that. It's just pretty easy. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!